Students, welcome back to online learning. I am your general knowledge teacher. Students, first you take out your general knowledge book, page number 24. Money, money. Look at your book. Learn the names of currency used in various countries. Students, various countries use different types of currencies and their names are different. So, let me know about their names of currencies used in various countries. First, countries and currencies. Look at your book, you have to learn by heart their names. First, France. Currency name, Euro. Switzerland, Swiss francs. Japan, Yen. Bangladesh, Taka. India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Rupee. Saudi Arabia, Oman, Iran, Riyal. USA, Canada, Hong Kong, Singapore, Zimbabwe, New Zealand, dollar. United Kingdom, Egypt, Lebanon, pound. Germany, euro. Russia, ruble. Kuwait, Bahrain, Iraq, dinar. Mexico, Cuba, Philippines, Argentina, peso. Indonesia, rupiah. South Africa, rand. Myanmar, kyat. Denmark, Norway, krone. Spain, euro. Kenya, shillong. Sweden, krona. South Korea, won. Malaysia, ringgit. United Arab Emirates, dirham. Next, find out the currencies used by these countries. Look at your book, page number 25. You will write down the name of currency. Country. India. Answer is rupee. India. Answer is rupee. See here students, help box is given here. Rand, rupee, won, euro, dinar, peso, pound, krone, dollar, yen, taka. First, India. Answer is rupee. France, euro. Bangladesh, taka. USA, dollar. United Kingdom, pound. Kuwait, dinar. Italy, euro. Denmark, krone. Spain, euro. South Korea, won. South Africa, rand. Mexico, peso. Japan, yen. Next, let us recapitulate. First, rupee. Second, euro. Third, taka. Fourth, dollar. Fifth, pound. Sixth, dinar. Seventh, euro. Eighth, krone. Ninth, euro. 10th, won. 11th, rand. 12th, peso. And 13th, yen. Now students, look at your book. Turn your page number 26. The blue sky. Why does the sky appear blue? Why? Why does the sky appear blue? जो आसमान जो है वो हमें ब्लू क्यों दिखता है? It appears so because of the gas and dust particles present in the atmosphere. क्योंकि उसमें जो गैस और जो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स रहते हैं वो हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. They scatter blue light from the sun more than any other color. Beyond the atmosphere, the sky is a vast area that is called space. We find planets, meteors, asteroids and many other heavenly bodies in space. Next, decode these planets. First, Murryce. Answer is Mercury. Mercury. Second, answer is Venus. Venus. Third, answer is Earth. Earth. Fourth, Jupiter. Jupiter. Fifth, Saturn. Saturn. Sixth, Uranus. Uranus. Seventh, Neptune. Neptune. Eighth, Mars. Mars. Let us recapitulate. First, Mercury. Second, Venus. Third, Earth. Fourth, Jupiter. Fifth, Saturn. Sixth, Uranus. Seventh, Neptune. And eighth is Mars. Now turn your page. Look at your book, page number 27. Interesting forms of the Earth. Let me know about it. Do you know them? Use the help box and name them. Here help box is given here. Island, lake, ocean, desert, volcano, valley, plateau, oasis. First, a flat area of land higher than the land around it. Answer is plateau. Answer is plateau. Second, sandy area with little or no water. Answer is desert. Answer is desert. Third, a piece of land completely surrounded by water. Answer is island. Fourth, a large area of salt water. Answer is ocean. Fifth, a small lake in a desert. Answer is oasis. Sixth, a V-shaped low-lying land between two mountains. Answer is valley. Seventh, a large hollow filled with water and surrounded by land. Answer is lake. Eighth, a mountain which throws lava out into the air. Answer is volcano. See here, first answer is plateau, second desert, third island, fourth ocean, fifth oasis, sixth valley, seventh lake, eighth volcano. Next, turn your page flowing rivers. Find the boxes to find the rivers. First, here help box is given here. Thames, Zambezi, Amazon, Mississippi, Ganga, Volga, Indus, Nile, Brahmaputra, Yangtze. See, first Volga, Volga. Second, Nile, Nile. Third, Indus, Indus. These are the names of the different rivers. Fourth, Ganga, Ganga. Fifth, Thames, Thames. Sixth, Amazon, Amazon. Seventh, Yangtze, Yangtze. Eighth, Zambezi, Zambezi. Next, ninth, Mississippi, Mississippi. Tenth, Brahmaputra, Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra. Next, see birds and animals. Page number 29. Birds and animals. Students, I will read the questions and you will write down the answers here in your book. Identify and name them. See, first, the longest living animal which can live beyond 300 years. Answer is tortoise. Answer is tortoise. Second, can regrow completely even from a part of its limbs cut and kept away. Answer is starfish. Answer is starfish. Third, the bird that can stay in air for a year without landing. Answer is swift. The bird can eat only when its head is upside down. Answer is flamingo. Fifth, the largest mammal but lives in the sea. It can eat about 3 tons of food every day. Answer is blue whale. Sixth, hens upside down and sleeps most of the time? Answer is sloth. 7th, an aquatic carnivorous mammal whose limbs are in the form of flippers with webbed feet for swimming. Answer is walrus. 8th, a bird that migrates a distance of about 11,000 miles from the coast of Labrador to Antarctica every winter. Answer is Arctic tern. 9th, they live alone but they care for their babies just like humans. Answer is orangutan. 10th, the biggest and heaviest bird of all, they cannot fly. Answer is ostrich. This animal curls up when it is in danger. Its body is protected by plates of armor. Answer is armadillo. 12th, this bird hovers when it sucks nectar from flowers. This makes a loud humming sound. Answer is hummingbird. C. First answer is tortoise. Second answer is starfish. Third answer is swift. Fourth answer is flamingo. Fifth answer is blue whale. Sixth answer is sloth. Seventh walrus. Eighth arctic tern. Ninth orangutan. 10th ostrich. 11th armadillo. 12th hummingbird. See the great dogs. Now turn your page. Look at your book, page number 30. The great dogs. Identify these dogs and name them. First, use the help box. Here help box is given here. Yes, write out the first answer. The first answer is German Shepherd. What is the first answer? First answer is German Shepherd. Second answer is Doberman. Second answer is Doberman. Third, Greyhound. Greyhound. Fourth, Labrador. Fifth, Bulldog. Sixth, Great Dane. Seventh, Sheepdog. Eighth, Poodle. Ninth, Dalmatian. See, first answer is German Shepherd. Second answer is Doberman. Third answer is Greyhound. Fourth answer is Labrador. Fifth answer is Bulldog. Sixth answer is Great Dane. Seventh answer is Sheepdog. Eighth answer is Poodle. Ninth answer is Dalmatian. Thank you students. I hope you all understood this lesson.